It is only June, the onset month of the southwest monsoon season, but Assam and Meghalaya are among the states which have received extremely heavy rainfall in the last 1 week. Assam and Meghalaya are among the states which have received extremely heavy rainfall in the last 1 week. Many areas like Cherrapunji and Mawsynram in Meghalaya have recorded the heaviest rainfall recorded ever in 122 years, which went on to over 1,000 millimeter, leaving both these states battering in floods and displacing normal lives of several people. The main reason what the India Meteorological Department has attributed is the excess of moisture which the southerly or the southeast westerly winds that are coming from the Bay of Bengal over to the northeast region. So it's like the winds are bringing a lot of moisture and dumping on the northeastern states, particularly Assam and Meghalaya. And this process has been on continuously for 4 or 5 consecutive days, all of last week, leading to incessant and continuous rainfall. Heavy rainfall events likely to continue over the next 5 days. The IMD has maintained a yellow alert, which indicates keep a watch on what events are happening. This applies for Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. The southerly winds or the moist winds that I was referring to will continue to influence the northeastern states. Particularly to watch out are Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, for heavy rainfall events between 23rd and 26th of June. That is starting tomorrow, 3 days.